Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with cash management on Fidelity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with cash management on Fidelity, start by visiting the Fidelity website. On the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the Open an Account link. Fill in the required personal information in the registration form. Provide your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Create a unique username and a strong password for your account. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once your account is set up, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Cash Management. You'll find an overview of Fidelity's cash management services. Click on Get Started to begin the registration process. Read through the information provided about the cash management account. If you agree with the terms, check the box confirming your acceptance. Next, you will need to provide additional information for your cash management account. Fill in details such as your employment status and income source. Choose your preferred method for receiving account statements. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once everything is correct, click on the Submit button. You will be taken to a confirmation page, indicating your registration was successful. Check your email for a confirmation message from Fidelity. This email will provide details about your cash management account. You can now access cash management features by logging into your account. Explore the cash management tools available to manage your funds effectively. If you have any further questions, visit the Fidelity Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.